Hello everyone, welcome back to the next session of the training. In this session we will be seeing what is function module and tables in SAP and how we can extract data or how we can see the data in SAP using standard way of SAP as well as using function module. What is a function module? A function modules are procedures that are defined in a special ABAP programs only, so-called function group, but can also be called as ABAP programs. So it's like kind of ABAP programs, but function modules allows you to encapsulate and reuse the global functions within SAP system. So if you have a function which is globally used in different part of this SAP function, then there will be a function module for that. They are managed in a function library. The SAP system contains several predefined function modules that can be called from any ABAP program. So whenever there is a need of this specific function module, then this function module can be called from another ABAP program. Function modules also play an important role during updating and interacting between different SAP system or between different SAP system and the remote system through remote communication. In our case, so this is the function module which we are using from our Microsoft Excel to read the data from SAP system. So that is calling the function module. So using RFC technology, remote function technology, we can call these function modules which is defined in SAP. There are many function modules available in SAP which can be used. For our training, we will be using a function module RFC underscore read table. This function module is used to read the table content. There are another function modules also available to read the tables. We can use that function modules as well, and this function module is quite easy to explain, so we have taken this as an example for us. So you can use different function modules from standard SAP. If we wanted to go still further, little more advanced in this kind of programming, then you can create a specific function module for your own custom function module to extract some data from SAP, and we can use that function module as well in our VBA program. Then next, let us come to SAP tables. As you know, SAP tables contains a lot of data where we save all the data in SAP in table format, and these tables have fields and the fields have field values. So let us get into our SAP system and see how to view this table first. So we logged into our SAP system using our user ID and password, SAP buddy. If you see, then the navigation bar, you click this one, then you can see which system we have logged in, what client, what is the user, what is the transaction presently is running, this kind of informations. Okay, right now we are in the client 800 on this using this user ID SAP buddy. To view a table in SAP, we have a transaction code called SE16, that is SE16. So this is not case sensitive. You go to SE16. This is a transaction code. It's called table browser. Then you select this one, enter. Otherwise you can also press enter in the keyboard. Okay. Now we are going to view a table named T001. This specific table contains information about the companies in this client 800. There are thousands of tables in SAP which contains information. So you need to first know what is the actual table you are getting the specific informations. So you need to know the table name where you are going to extract this data. So T001. This is the table which contains the company informations. So you put the table name here, and you can also press enter in the keyboard. Then we will come to the next screen where it will give you the details of all these fields. So you can see this is a technical name, BUKRS means company code. right now you cannot understand what is BUKRS. If you really want to see the label of this specific field, you go to setting, user parameter, then right now the keyword is field name. If you change it to field label, then say OK. Now you can see it's a company code. Okay, I will change it back to our field name because the field name is the one which we will be using in the program. So BUKRS means company code. Like this we can check the field label for each fields. Here if you click this button execute, that is F8, then it will display all the content of this specific table T001. We have a limit here 500. We believe our content of this table is not more than 500. So if you wanted to increase this limit, then you can change this width as well as the maximum hits. Let's say execute. So it gives me all the company codes presently available in this system. Okay, so we have total entries 166 company codes. This is a company code like 0001, that is SAP 8G, which is in Waldorf, and D means Germany. This is the currency, and all this kind of informations are available in this. Okay, so there's quite a lot of information which is available in this table. If you want to see a specific company code, let's say I wanted to see only this company code 10100, then in the previous screen you can put 0100, then it will give you the detail of specific company code. If you double click here, then you can see it in this format. Okay, so this is the standard way of viewing SAP table using SE16. So we know what is table. This table is T001. These are all the fields which is available in this table. The field also you can select here. If you go to field selection, if you see this table contains quite a lot of information. You have this is the field name, and this is the field label. This have quite a lot of fields, but we did not select all. You can also select if you wanted to see the language key, stuff like this, then you can select it. Now if you can see that language key, the additional key which we have selected is already available in this one. So like this you can also change the view of this SE16, this table. So at the moment now we know what is table, what is field, and what is the content of this field. That means what is the value in this field. Okay, with this we are coming to the end of part 1. We will continue in part 2.